Sparky Sparks here. Oh my gosh, I have new hair and I can't wait to show you the bells and whistles on this girl. Oh my goodness. Now, if you're new here, please click the subscribe button and that way we're connected in this world. That means follow. So if you're new here, thank you for coming. I'm so happy that you found me. I'm again Sparky Sparks. This is my channel, An Affair with Hair. I also have a website with the same name, An Affair with Hair. And I recently wrote a book, and that is called Wig Wisdom. So please check that out. There are links down below. Also for this hair, there will be a link in there. So if you're interested in this hair. Now, this is called Camilla, and the color is shaded peach. One of my all-time favorites right now. This is made by Jon Renau, and I am finding that I'm reaching for Jon Renau wigs quite frequently. I don't know what it is. It's probably the cap construction, the hairlines. Let's talk about this hairline. Oh my gosh, does this look like real or what? This looks like my scalp. Look at this. The part line goes all the way back. Phenomenal, undetectable, just gorgeous. Now it does have fringe, or bangs as some of us call them, and I like to tuck it behind my ear like this. Let me give you the whole tour. This is the back, obviously. Let's look at the back a minute. Ladies, this is a really low density, long wig. So if you have short, or not short, but fine hair and of your own, or had fine hair, this would be most resemblant to it. It's not big and voluptuous. It is pretty fine. So let's make a little ponytail and I can show you how thick it is. It has some thickness to it, but it's not super thick. So it's very realistic if you have fine hair. So again, just really pretty. Now, as I like to do, let's look on the inside, shall we? So as we go into this, if you're new here, you'll see that I have my own hair, but also I wear a combination wig cap, wig grip. And the way this works, the cap collects all my bio hair in here, and the wig grip has velvet right here. And it feels like a cat's tongue. It grabs with the wigs on going this way. Now, if I had it on inside out, the velvet would be smooth going this way and the wig would slip off. So note to self, cautionary tale. So you want to put it on any kind of wig grip that if it's velvet, that it grabs this way. So let's look inside, shall we? So this is really cool. I think this is what makes that part line look so realistic. This is all kind of it feels silicone or silk. It's called a mono top. That's what Jon Renau is calling this. This is silicone, so it really nicely grips right here. The ear tabs are velvet, and then the adjuster tabs in the back are Velcro. I usually just leave them the way they came. I'm an average cap. This is all hand tied in here. So what that means is that the hair can't come back through. They're not wefts. So if somebody was picking through your hair, we used to pick through our kids' hair when we were looking for lice, you're not going to see anything but really your head. So that's how that works. Again, beautiful synthetic hair. And let's put her back on. So this is how easy it is. If you're new here, basically you're going to hold the back of the wig here where the tag is, and we're going to land our forehead here, for in this case where the silicone is. And when I say land, I don't want to try to get this in the perfect spot. I don't want it to be exactly where it needs to be. We're going to land this, try to aim for your eyebrows, right above your eyebrows. Just aim there, trust me, we'll fix it after that. So we're going to dive our head in and pull it back over our nape of our neck or the bottom of our hairline. And flip up. Now it's not in the right spot yet, so pause. This is where you need to be really patient with yourself if you're new, because this is the part that you think, Sparky, what did I do? I saw you do it and you look good in it, and now what? So we have a forehead, and 4 is kind of reminiscent of having 4 fingers. So we want 4 fingers from our brow bone to our hairline. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's not quite there, is it? So we're going to pull it up. We can use our ear tabs here on each side to adjust it. Check it here. That's about 4. So it could be a little bit higher because it has bangs or fringe. And there you go. How easy was that? So if you're a gal who wants to have long hair and maybe you have short hair and you think, I just want to have long hair for that special occasion or a date night, this is how easy it is to put it on. Now, if you have long hair like this and you want to try a short wig, again, use a combination wig cap, wig grip to get your hair in there. And you can throw on any wig you want in seconds. So that's how easy it is. Let me give you another tour of the back. And you can see I've been just flipping it around. It's getting a little bit tangly. We use a wide tooth comb like this just to comb through it. And just gorgeous. I'm just crazy about this part line. So this is how I would wear it. And I tuck a little bit here around my ear. Just stunning. If you have questions, please drop them here in the comments. I respond to everything. Also, if you're interested in my story and a little bit, my book has my story, and then it has a little bit of how to wig, if you will, in the back part of the section. It's a very short book. It's my first, so bear with me. It's my first attempt. And it's just exciting to start 2025 with some new things. I launched my website this year, and you can check that out as well. And shop the wigs through my website if you want. Again, I'm here to answer questions and help you on your journey. This is a great community. I have met so many wig sisters, if you will, and I'm just having a blast. And if you are feeling any sort of way about your hair, come and join us. We're having fun. And again, I call my channel and all my media an affair with hair. This is no commitment. It's not like when you cut your hair off or perm it back in the days when we get that big perm. This is an affair with hair. It's simple, it's easy, it's changeable. It's a little bit of a learning curve. That's why I'm here, and all of us are here to support you. But it is the best decision I ever made. The only regret I have is that I didn't do this sooner. If that gives you a little bit. So again, thank you for joining me here. If you're new, please subscribe. If you have friends or family that are struggling with hair or hair concerns, please pass my information along. We're here to help. We're here in this journey together. And why not spend the next years enjoying our hair and not complaining about it? Anyway, hope that's helpful. And again, thank you so much for joining me. Mwah. Cheers.